This is a liquid experiment which shows you the power of chemistry. When both glasses are filled up and the straw is put in the third, nothing happens. And of course, that's what you would expect, right? But then she takes the straw and dips it inside the thick juice. When the bubbles form, it means the air inside is being replaced with the liquid. So because now there's liquid in this straw, she's gonna carefully flip it into the other glass. And all of a sudden, the glass starts to fill up. This is because when the air is replaced with the juice and flipped onto the empty glass, it creates an empty space in the straw called a vacuum. And a vacuum between liquids is impossible. So that's when the straw draws liquid from one side and fills the other. And it stops right when all three are equally leveled, because that's when the straw is filled with air once again.
In China, an ancient woodworking technique has been passed down for thousands of years. It involves joining pieces of wood without the use of nails or screws, relying solely on precise cuts and expert craftsmanship. This technique, known as mortise and tenon craftsmanship, is the reason why ancient Chinese buildings have stood for centuries, enduring earthquakes and the test of time. And yet, you still haven't liked the video.
This is the smartest thief that has ever been filmed. This person stole a Jaguar, and a couple minutes later, a helicopter was on him, which led to a high-speed chase going close to 140 miles per hour. And he starts cutting up through traffic, nearly hitting everyone. Right here is where he makes the smartest move yet. He approaches a red light, which looks to be his end. But when he cuts past everyone and goes through the tunnel, the helicopter loses eyes on him, until a second later the car appears on the other side, driving really slow and in a straight line. And after a couple minutes, the cops finally arrive. But when they went to open the door to the car, there was no driver in the seat. So this means that
the most dangerous bridge in the world is in China. If you're afraid of heights, this bridge is not for you, as it features a drop of over 300 yards. This incredible suspended iron chain bridge is built without pillars or cable-stayed ropes, relying solely on 4 sets of ropes for horizontal tension. But this 270-yard-long bridge is just a temporary, while the major bridge is under construction.